may see this water bottle and it looks empty, but it's actually full with gas molecules, like oxygen and H2O vapor. So I have cold water and hot water. Let's see what happens to the molecules when they get heated up. The balloon starts filling up because the molecules inside it go faster and faster, and they start spreading out, but they have nowhere to go, so they go up into the balloon. Let's see what happens when they go into the cold water. The balloon starts going down because all the molecules get slowing down when it gets cold, and then they all come together, and then there's no more molecules inside the balloon, so that causes it to go flopping down.